Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Camo Guys Detail Garage. Today we have this beautiful truck in the shop. It actually has custom billet raceline wheels on it, and we're going to be showing you guys how to properly polish them using our heavy metal polish and our light metal polish using our ball buster attachment. A lot of people, if you don't have the ball buster attachment, we also recommend using a microfiber applicator to go ahead and polish out your wheels. But since these wheels are super deep and it has a very big lip, the easiest way to polish them out will be using the ball buster. So to begin with, I'll grab my heavy metal polish. I'll go ahead and shake it up. And I'll actually just add one line to my ball buster. The cool thing I like about this ball buster, it has different cone-like shapes to it. So just in case if your wheel, exhaust tip, or any like hard to reach areas isn't so big, it has different cone-like shapes to it. So you can avoid sling, you always want to just work the product in. This is why we recommend wearing gloves. You work the product in, and then you go ahead and dab it on the wheel. And on a very slow speed setting, just go ahead and just massage it in. Just by spreading out heavy metal polish, you already start seeing some darkening on the wheel. That means heavy metal polish is being put to work. It's lifting off all the impurities off the surface of the wheel, and it's gonna deliver a high shine. The reason why we didn't start off with light metal polish first is because there's water spots on this wheel and they're severely etched in, and light metal polish does not have any abrasives, so it will not break them down. We already did a test spot on the other wheel, and we seen that light metal polish was not gonna cut it, so that's why we're taking the more heavier abrasive method. We always recommend starting off light, but in this occasion, since I already did a test spot, it's okay to start off with heavy metal polish. So let's start working it in. So the cool thing I like about the ball buster, the foam actually adjusts to the hard to reach areas. So if you want to reach those hard to reach areas, just simply grab a little bit of product, put it on the tip, and just work it in with your fingers so you could avoid sling and you could just be a lot cleaner. So it's already on there. Now I will be pushing a little bit harder onto the wheel just so it could adjust, and I'll start polishing it out. One pro tip guys, whenever you guys are polishing wheels, don't just stay in one section. Constantly be moving it around so the product could actually break down properly and you guys get an even finish. Let's get to it. Another hard to reach area you're gonna be encountering, especially on these wheels, it has this little step to it on the face of it, and polishing it by hand can be difficult, especially you have other types of wheels that are very intricate spokes. So in this occasion, I'm actually gonna be using heavy metal polish on the third line, just so I could adjust it and make polishing it a lot easier. So 1, 2, 3. I'll be applying some product onto it. And same exact method guys, just go ahead and spread the product onto it, just so you can avoid sling and be a lot cleaner. So the inner step I'm talking about, it's gonna be this area right here. The ball buster, just go ahead and spin a little bit, apply some product onto it, and then I'm just gonna start working it in. All right, so now that we went ahead and tackled this hurdle, it's time to go ahead and polish the barrel of the wheel for all you guys that have polished barrels. One key thing that I love about these wheels is that it has an opening that I could just fit the ball buster. But if you have wheels that do not have openings, we recommend taking them off and you're still using the ball buster. But in this occasion, I could leave the wheel on and just apply a little bit more product. If the plastic does touch the face of the wheel, it's actually not gonna damage it, especially because I have my hand on here. So key thing guys, always keep your hand on here so you have a full control over the ball buster and it won't go flying all over the place. So same exact thing guys, just go ahead and apply a line because the barrel is pretty big as well. Apply a line and just smoothly massage the product into the ball buster. The more time you take on your wheels, the better the wheel finish is gonna come out. All right, so I went ahead and massaged it in. It's not gonna have any sling, and time to just go ahead and just dab it out onto the surface I'm working on and just work the product in. If you do have a drill that does not have a speed setting like this one, I am cautiously starting very low, and as I progress, I am bumping up the speed. It's just basically all with touch. So let's get to it. One thing I want to point out to you guys about this wheel, that it has a step to it in the barrel right here. So the thing I like about the Ball Buster, whenever you push down a little bit hard onto it, it actually contours to the surface, which is a very, very easy way to polish that surface. So remember guys, just go ahead and apply a little bit more product, massage it in, and apply more product as you need it. Don't be afraid. So dab it out. And all you want to do is just press a little bit harder. So if you guys can see that, when I press it, it goes in the grooves. But just constantly be moving it. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and finish up the whole wheel, and then I'll come back to you guys and show you guys exactly why I need light metal polish to finish the entire wheel. So now I actually went ahead and buffed off everything off the wheel, all the heavy metal polish, and you guys can see this towel, how dirty it is, like really Richie, really, very nice wheels, very contaminated. But now it's time to use light metal polish. So just think about light metal polish and heavy metal polish like a sandpaper. You always want to start off with a heavier, like lighter grip, but in this occasion we actually did a test spot. So we start off with a heavier cut. Now to refine the finish, we're going to be using light metal polish. Light metal polish, I am not going to be working it in with a drill. I'm actually just going to be working it in by hand because it is non-abrasives, and all I really need to do is just massage it into the surface, and it's going to bring out a very, very high shine. So before I use the product, always be sure to shake it up. And I am going to apply 2 lines onto my microfiber applicator. And this one, you don't have to go and spread on because you are actually going to be using it by hand, and there's not going to be any sling. So before you start off, just dab it onto the area you're working on and just massage it back and forth. The cool thing I like about these wheels is that the barrel is so big, so it's very, very easy to work it in. And even though I'm using light metal polish, you still see some darkening onto the applicator. That's completely normal. Under the spoke right here, I could reach it with the hand applicator. So just massage it onto there, refine the finish, and this is gonna deliver a high shine. Light metal polish does have a natural carnauba in it and a synthetic polymer in it, so it's actually gonna protect the wheels from any harsh elements, fallout, tree sap, or even road grime whenever he drives it around the city. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe. If you guys want to check out these products, head over to our website, camelguys.com, or stop by your local detail garage, and tune in next time where we tackle the exterior of this beautiful truck.